Hi guys, and welcome to today's intraday trade analysis video for the day. So today I have traded on ipcalab. So I'll be showing you where I took the entry, exit and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And yes, we have traded today without any indicators. Okay. So before I tell you about my today's trade, if you're new visitor to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel. In my channel, I've uploaded a lot of educational videos and daily live trade analysis video from last 5 to 7 years plus on consistent basis, and we trade without any indicators. Okay, so by being said that, now let's talk about the today's trade, what we have done on ipcalab. So today on ipcalab, firstly the buy side was triggered and buy side didn't perform, so like 3 points stop loss was hit, and from there we trade on the same stock. We don't select a lot of stocks and get confused. We avoid over trading. So according to my study and the strategy, I again took the short sell somewhere around 1392, and from there we can see how the stock has performed for the day. Okay, so from there you can see how it has performed, and the maximum low made for the day is around 1356, so almost 40 points the stock has given us the target. Okay, but by following my discipline and the strategy and sticking to my plan, I kept only like 8 points of target, which I recovered, and then I made a profit. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to achieve today in the today's trade of ipcalab, and these were my entries according to my study and the strategy, and this is how the stock has performed for the day. And as you guys can see here, we have traded without any indicators. Okay, so if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit like this in intraday trading and want to learn the concept of stock selection and predicting right entries like this, you can join us today. Okay, so I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very reasonably priced and less. Okay, so in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated skill and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, you get everyday live market personal support as well, and I'll be teaching you all the important skills what is needed to make consistent profit, and I'll be sharing you all my knowledge. And also you can see these are the feedback from my client what we have received. And if you guys wish to join us and want to get in touch with me personally, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me. And if you are serious about learning the concepts and want to be a consistent profitable trader from today, you can join us now. And also you can just go inside my channel and watch all the videos, all the educational videos and trading videos what I've uploaded on consistent basis. And if you guys like our accuracy and the consistent thing, you can join us today. Okay, so this was today's trade, and now if we look at Nifty 50, so this is how the Nifty 50 has performed for the day. So you can see the momentum has been towards both the side today, towards buying and towards selling, if you guys can see. So this is how the market performed in the opening time for the day. So it has went above one of our resistance level, and from there it couldn't sustain and it has come down again, and again it is touching somewhere our one of our support level. From there it is now trying to go up. There is one big candle what it has formed. You can see big spike has been come in the Nifty 50. So currently it is around 25138. Okay, so this is how the Nifty 50 has performed for the day. Okay, so guys, yes, this was today's analysis and this was today's trade. So you can join us today to learn how you can make a good profitable trades daily. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.